Is this?
It's Microsoft Excel. Now hold still, I'm about to perform a miracle.
You're crazy, there's no time.
Now Wilson just wants this year, right? First we'll put in the names of the tours. Tennis, golf, safari. Total.
Right.
Q1, Q2 ought to do it. She wants to see a 10% growth?
Yeah.
I'll work up the first 2 quarters.
I got it. I got it. We could tell her that you got mugged on Friday night. Nah, she'd want a police report.
Click on the auto sum?
Hey, you only have 2 quarters here. Aren't you going to finish it?
No, but Microsoft Excel is. Watch this. It's called autofill. It's going to finish the table for me. I just drag this little cross as far as I want the data extended. Check it out. Excel picks up on trends, totals, quarters, dates, and does the projections for me.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Very cool. Autofill. Oh, my career is over. Gone. Look, you're not going to make it.
Not unless I make room for this title.
What? Start all over?
Don't panic. I'm just going to drag the table over here and make room for it.
Hey, did you just drag that?
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Okay, watch this. At that title, a little bigger, centered.
Nah, it still doesn't look right. Give it up, man. Look, let's just say your PC got run over by a bus and you're lucky to be alive.
Whoa, I better format those numbers. Click on the table, click the right mouse button, get the shortcut menu for numbers. We want currency formats. This one looks good.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
Okay, I admit it. That was pretty neat, but you'll never finish it. This isn't good enough to present. You can't show her this.
Oh, ye of little faith.
I really think she'd buy the bus store.
With a click on the auto format, our superhero shops through several professionally designed formats and applies one.
That one.
With a click of his mighty mouse.
I can't believe it. You did it. We did it. It looks great. This is a miracle.
This is Microsoft Excel.